In this video, I'll show you how to add blur to a clip in Final Cut Pro X. So first select your clip and then on the right side, go to Effects. Just click on this tiny little icon and it will open the Effects tab. Then here go to Blur, and here you can choose what type of blur you want. And if you hover over it, it will show how the blur is going to look like. If you just want a normal blur, go with Gaussian. Just click on it and drag it on top of the clip you want to add your blur to. And on the top right in the inspector, you will be able to adjust the values of the blur, so you can make it less blurry, you can make it really blurry. You can also mess with keyframes. If you want to transition into the blur, you can do that right here. You can change the horizontal blur and you can change the vertical blur, and you can boost it even further so that literally nothing is visible. And that is how you add a blur to a clip in Final Cut Pro X. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more.